Good afternoon, welcome. This is English Neco year 2019 English test of oral past question. Question number 50. The same instruction is applicable here, and the given sentence here says Francisca is a brilliant lawyer. Not lawyer. There's nothing like ya in English expression. There's not like lawyer in English expression. Francisca is a brilliant lawyer. Then the capitalized word here is lawyer. Lawyer is capitalized. Option A says, is Francisca the brilliant lawyer? B, is Grace a brilliant lawyer? C, is Francisca a dull lawyer? D, is Francisca a brilliant judge? E, was Francisca a brilliant lawyer? The correct option here is option D. Judge is a noun because it's a human being. Why the capitalized word, which is also a lawyer, is also a noun that is the profession that a human being engage. So, and that's why we say a noun is a name of a person, animal, place, or thing, including profession is noun. So therefore, judge constructs lawyer. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.